Let me ask you something. If your entire cloud environment got wiped out tonight, could you rebuild it tomorrow exactly the way it was? Most companies cannot. And the reason is they built it by clicking. Somebody logged into a console 3 years ago, clicked around, made it work, and left. Nobody wrote down what they did. That's most of the cloud right now. Terraform fixes that. I've used it on federal systems and commercial systems for years, and it is the single highest leverage skill in cloud engineering today. Let me break it down. Terraform is infrastructure as code. Instead of clicking buttons to create a server, you write a text file that describes what you want. A server this size, in this network, with these permissions. You save that file, then Terraform builds it. And here's the part that matters. It's declarative. You are not writing steps. You are describing the end state you want, and Terraform figures out how to get there. That's a completely different way of thinking, and it's why people struggle with it at first. Now, three concepts, and you understand the whole tool. Number one, the plan. You run Terraform plan, and before it changes a single thing, it shows you exactly what it's about to create, change, or destroy. Read that output every time. That one habit will save your career. Number two, the state file. Terraform keeps a record of everything it built. That's how it knows what already exists versus what's new. Protect that file. Store it remotely, lock it, never put it in a public repository. Number three, drift. Drift is when somebody logs into the console and clicks something manually, and now reality doesn't match your code anymore. Terraform will tell you, and that alone is worth the price of admission in a real company, and it works across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Same language, same workflow. I work in AWS and Azure both, and that portability is the reason. So how does this tie into AI? This is the part people are missing. Every AI agent, every model, every inference endpoint runs on infrastructure that somebody has to provision. GPU instances are expensive. Leave one running over a weekend by accident and you've burned real money. Terraform is how you spin that up when you need it and tear it down when you don't. But here's the bigger one. AI can now write Terraform for you. It's genuinely good at it. And it will also confidently invent resource arguments that do not exist or hand you something that quietly opens a security group to the entire internet. Terraform plan is what catches that before it deploys, before it costs you anything. So the job is not going away, it's changing. The AI writes the first draft. You are the person who reads the plan and knows what's wrong with it. That is the skill. That is what companies are paying for right now. Learn Terraform, learn to read a plan, learn what a bad one looks like. Two ways I can help you. If you run a business and you want AI and automation actually built into it properly on infrastructure that won't fall over, that's what I do at Mr. C's AI. Reach out. And if you're trying to get a job in tech or learn this from scratch, reach out too. That's Tech Passport. I'll show you the path myself. Either one, you're talking to me. Let's get to work.